Hello guys, I'm Bea and I came to tell you everything you need to know about Provestra before buying the product. But before we start, I want to warn you about an important thing. Guys, be really careful with the website you buy Provestra from. You can only be 100% safe in purchasing the product from the official website. There are many stories of people being tricked into scams in buying Provestra from websites like eBay and Amazon. You can look for ads and reviews here on YouTube, but distrust videos with robotic voices. I left down below the official website link that you can buy Provestra safely, okay? Also, I have found something about Provestra that nobody tells you, so stay with me until the end of the video to find it out. So let's start with what Provestra is. We know some women are praying for a sex enhance that works. Thousands of women are satisfied with Provestra. So this product must work. The vast majority, about 90%, something like that, of the women who use it are happy with the results. Well, Provestra is a supplement especially developed for women dissatisfied with their sex life due to loss of sexual desire. Perhaps there is one of the only reliable formulas developed exclusively for women's health. This formula, among other things, is intended to make sexual intercourse more pleasurable. It uses a wide range of ingredients to tackle this issue from multiple perspectives. Now, one of the most important parts of this video is the benefits that the customers most noticed with the use of Provestra. Provestras contain many ingredients that help increase fertility. Fertility is linked with women's health in general, so some customers have reported this improvement. Increased blood flow to the clitoris. The clitoris needs an identical match in haste to perform as it is best. At least 3 ingredients in Provestra can help with this: ginger root, theobromine, and ginkgo biloba 10. And improved vaginal lubrication. Lubrication vaginal dryness can be hurtful. Damiana leaf and black cohosh root are ingredients in Provestra that help lubricate this area. Another great point of improvement is the effect of PMS. They claim to help with breast sensitivity, irritability, and mood instability. Well, girls, when you access the official website, you'll be able to see some more reports, benefits, and details about Provestra. Of course, it doesn't work like magic. You need to do your part using Provestra correctly every day. The best results come when you use Provestra consistently for 3 months or longer. So I recommend taking advantage of the 3 or 6 bottle discount package. Provestra is 100% natural with no side effects and is made under the most precise quality standards, produced in the USA in FDA-approved facility using the latest technology and equipment. Every capsule of Provestra is non-GMO and safe. Also, if you are worried about whether Provestra doesn't work for you, the supplier gives us a 6 to 7 day money-back guarantee. You can test the product, and if it doesn't work, the supplier will fully refund you the money back without question. With this, we have a guarantee about our investment with Provestra. So I hope I have helped you guys with this Provestra review with relevant information. And again, pay attention to the website you are going to purchase it from and make sure to commit to your treatment and take it every day, okay? So if you like this Provestra review, please thumbs up for more. Thank you guys and good luck everyone. Bye!